French lovers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my purse. Do you know what I have inside? Let's see together. My cell phone, my marker for teaching, and my pen, my marker. Possessive adjectives. Do you know them in French? If your answer is no, subscribe and stay with me up to the last part of this video because you are gonna be the master of this grammar. In this part, we go through the translation of my, your, his, and her. Be careful, possessive adjective changes according to the gender and number of the nouns. My for masculine singular nouns is mon. For example, mon livre, mon stylo. Feminine singular nouns, ma. For example, ma maison, ma voiture. Plural nouns, no difference they are feminine or masculine. For both of them we use mes. For example, mes livres, mes stylos. Your for masculine singular nouns, ton. For example, ton sac, ton chapeau. For feminine singular nouns, ta. For example, ta robe, ta jupe. For plural nouns, tes. For example, tes chaussures, tes amis. His or her. For masculine singular nouns, son. For example, son livre, son vélo. Feminine singular nouns, sa. For example, sa chemise, sa robe. For plural nouns, ses. For example, ses livres, ses jouets. Now it's your turn. Can you open your bag and write down in the comment what you have inside? I am waiting for your comments.